Now it's time to create a player one that moves around the screen. So I'll draw a little square just for now, nothing fancy. If your stroke color is still 5, make sure it's just 1. And let's make a fill color. I'm going to go with orange. And I'm going to select this and hit F8. Put the registration point in the middle. Player 1. And next we're going to go inside that. And let's make this graphics layer. And rename this code layer. And then I'm going to lock this layer so we can't accidentally draw on that layer. I'm going to hit F6. That'd be on a Windows machine, so I guess you could hit insert blank keyframe 2 times. Third frame is pretty much always the way I build these things. I create a loop. This would play 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. It's like a short animation, but I put this in the 3rd frame so that it always kicks it back to the 2nd frame. And so the result is it plays 1 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3. So there's a loop between 2 3. That way, code that we only want to have read once goes in the 1st frame. Code we want to have read many times goes in the 2nd frame. And the code that we want to use right now is escape if. We'll write this empty if statement. If key dot is down key dot left. And then what we want to have happen is the underscore x. We want to move it 10 pixels to the left every time this frame gets read. So it's going to read it over and over and over. And every time it reads it, it'll move it to the left. And you can see that if you slow the frame rate down. Now if I push the left arrow key, see how it jumps 10 pixels every second. So now I'm going to bring this frame rate back up to 60. And actually that's really fast considering the scale. So I'm going to lower it back down to 1. But now that that's working, I'm going to copy and paste and then modify. Oops, right. And then right is in the positive direction. So now I can go left and right. That's great. Copy both of those, paste, and now caps lock, up, down, and then take caps lock off and put Y, Y, and now we should be able to move all directions. So that's arrow keys. And we'll continue in the next movie.